I have ordered a Digitek MagMod from Amazon, and now I am unboxing this to understand. The price has been varying almost every day, but still I had to buy this. This is the flash bot, and here the packet comes out. Now I will open the actual packet. There are no markings on this as to from where this has to be opened. I think this is the place. This is the seal which is existing. Yes, they are not even writing which is the top, which is the bottom, but still. So here we open this. It says that it has got a bounce, it's got a sphere, creative gels, grip, gel and grid. So first the set of gel comes out, and this is here we have got the gels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The gels have got the scratches. Some of the gels have got a plastic on it, the others do not have it. There are scratches, I can see very well. It is also quite likely that it has been used before, but not really sure on this. This is the package that comes out. Nothing is packed, nothing is, it's all loose. And this is the grid, honeycomb. This is the grip. This is the grip for the gels to be fitted into. Right now we are not reviewing the product, we are only unboxing it. I do not know how this would go on the Flashguns.